Making money online is easy to do. Problem is, most people don't know where to begin or how to do it. What if I told you that you could start a lucrative business without any major upfront costs or technical skills? Artificial intelligence has opened doors to new money-making opportunities that anyone can pursue from the comfort of their own home. In this video, I'll introduce you to 3 AI businesses that can generate real income for people like you and me. From creating AI-generated apps to training and selling AI models. So if you're looking for an accessible way to harness AI and start a cost-effective business from scratch, make sure to watch this video to the end. 1. AI-powered content creation. The first AI business idea we'll explore is AI-powered content creation. This industry is booming as businesses are increasingly looking for ways to produce high-quality content at scale. AI-powered content creation tools can generate engaging blog posts, social media content, and even scripts for videos. This saves businesses time and money while ensuring that their content is consistently fresh and relevant. AI-powered content creation tools are still in their early stages of development, but they have already made a significant impact on the way businesses create and distribute content. These tools can be used to generate a wide variety of content, including blog posts, social media posts, script writing, emails, and product description. Current market stats. At a compound annual growth rate of 38.1%, the global AI content creation market is expected to grow from $2.1 billion in 2022 to $11.6 billion by the end of 2028. 2. Build AI-based chatbot. In 2023, we all know what chatgpt is and how it works. However, the demand for AI business plan generators and AI-based chatbot applications has increased in the past 2 years. No, right. Many people still need to learn about this incredible opportunity. AI-powered chatbots can transform the way online businesses operate. From personalized recommendations based on consumer behavior to efficient inventory management through predictive analytics, AI optimizes various aspects of e-commerce. Companies like Amazon, utilizing AI algorithms, have significantly enhanced customer experiences by suggesting products and streamlining logistics. Moreover, AI-driven chatbots provide instant customer support, handling queries efficiently 24/7. Entrepreneurs can create AI-driven e-commerce solutions, offering these services to businesses looking to optimize their online operations. This presents a lucrative opportunity in the ever-expanding e-commerce landscape. Current market stats. The market for AI chatbots worldwide was worth $2.9 billion in 2022. By 2027, it is projected to have grown at a CAGR of 33.6% and be worth $14.8 billion. 3. Build AI-based matrimony app. If you want to indulge in the matrimony industry with AI for startup ideas, then you should know it's an amazing idea to work with. Build a matrimony mobile app integrated with AI technology is a cutting-edge startup AI idea through which you can access user preferences and provide personalized matchmaking recommendations. It is vital to know that to enhance compatibility assessments, you can add features like facial recognition, personality profile, and predictive analytics may be used. It is an excellent opportunity with massive potential to make your business powerful. So don't pass this on to anyone else and invest in the field of relationships. Current market stats. The market for matrimonial apps is anticipated to increase by 12.3% CAGR from $2.5 billion in 2022 to $4.2 billion in 2027. AI is transforming the business landscape, and there are countless opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners to leverage AI to create successful businesses. The 3 AI business ideas we've explored today are just a few examples of the many ways AI can be used to generate profits and make a positive impact on the world. If you're looking for a new business venture, I encourage you to explore the world of AI. With its vast potential, AI is sure to be a driving force in the business world for years to come. Thank you for joining us today, and I wish you all the best in your AI endeavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities with artificial intelligence.